It is Thursday, September 12, 2024. I'm here at 105 Buckboard Trail in Oak Point, Texas. And for a quick update, if you remember from the last update, by the way, it is 71 degrees, overcast skies. We've got about a 15% chance of rain in the forecast for today, and we need some rain, so it'd be good if we got some. If you remember from the last update, we had received our BIAX foundation plans. I believe that update was last Friday. And then we took our entire construction document set, permit application and all that. We took all that to the city on Monday and submitted everything for a building permit. It'll probably take a week or two to get that building permit issued. Meanwhile, I stopped by here to let you know that we had another project where we wound up having to remove a couple of nice live oak trees, 5, 6, 7 inch diameter live oak trees. So we can get a quick picture of these. So these are the trees that we removed from another job site. So you can see from the trunk on these that they're pretty good sized trees. And of course, to get them out of the ground, we had to cut a lot of roots. And so this is kind of a shot in the dark, about a 50-50 chance that these trees will survive. But because the owner on the other project asked us to remove them, we wanted to at least take that chance to give these trees a place to live. So we're putting them both here at our Buckboard Trail project. And if we can get them to live, that's great. By the time we get the house finished, we'll know if these trees are going to make it or not. But we're putting them in a place where they'll be out of the way during construction. They'll be in the front of the house when it's all finished. You can see the guys here digging a hole to plant one of them. And then on the other side of the lot, there's an orange stake in the ground where they're going to plant the other one. So that is our update for today. And of course, we will follow up with this tree update in about 5 months to see if these trees have survived or if we wind up having to take them out. And we'll have more updates coming.